Are you looking for a new way to make money online? Well, look no further, because today I'm going to share with you how to make money with Testerup. Testerup is a platform that allows you to earn money by testing websites and apps. All you need to do is sign up, complete tasks, and get paid. The best part is, you don't need any prior experience or technical skills. Testerup provides all the training and support you need to get started. Once you sign up, you'll have access to a dashboard with available tasks. Simply choose a task that interests you, complete it according to the instructions, and submit your feedback. The tasks can range from testing the functionality of a website to providing feedback on the user experience. Each task has a specific payout, and you can choose the ones that suit your skills and interests. The more tasks you complete, the more money you can make. Plus, Testerup offers bonuses and rewards for high-quality feedback. You can cash out your earnings via PayPal or gift cards. One of the best things about Testerup is that you can work whenever and wherever you want. It's perfect for people looking to earn a side income or even make it a full-time gig. Testerup also provides a rating system, so the more high-quality feedback you provide, the more opportunities you'll receive. Even if you're a beginner, Testerup is a great platform to start making money online. You'll gain valuable skills in testing and providing feedback that can be transferable to other online jobs. Hey there! So why wait? Sign up for Testerup today and start making money with your opinion. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to earn money from the comfort of your own home. Testerup is a game changer in the world of online earning, so give it a try and see the results for yourself. Subscribe now for more ways to make money online. Also leave a comment to get a chance to win free money every month.